Hi, I'm Carla from Ritam Studio. We're going to do a glute-focused short version of my chain movement class. So let's start in standing. You're going to take your feet hip-width apart. You're going to come down into a little squat. So knees are going to stay a little bit over your ankles. Bum is back. Hold this position, hands to your hips. Now from here, pull your knees back and your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Ground down through your feet. Hold this position. I want you to feel the back of your legs working here. Pull the tailbone back and hold. Bring your hands down to the mat. Try and keep a flat back. Bring your hands to your hips. Now hands behind your head. Keep that position with the legs. Bring your arms forward and hold. Now you should feel this working through your lower back as well. Make sure your weight is over the center of your foot and it hasn't shifted to your heels. Push through your legs to lift all the way up and then come down into a deep squat, roll the spine up. So we've just activated there the whole posterior chain of our body. Let's take 2 more here. On your next one, stay down. Walk the hands forward, step the legs back. Let's come into a plank. Push the heels back, chest forward, palms pushing into the mat. Hold this, just feel the whole body here connecting and activating. You're going to step your right knee in towards your chest and then place the foot down in between your hands. From here, take your hands to your front thigh. Hold this position, pull your right hip back and your left hip forward. To get the most from these exercises, your alignment is really important. Put your hands to your hips, make sure the hip bones are squared off to the front of the mat. Just holding this position alone, you should already feel that right glute working. Now from here, you're going to hinge your upper body up. Stack your rib cage, pull your hips back, bring your chest forward over the front thigh. Let's continue this same movement, hinging forward and back. Keep trying to scissor the feet. So you are trying to pull the right foot back and the left hip forward. Your chest is just coming forward on the diagonal over the front thigh and back up. Let's take 4 more here. Strong flat back as you come forward. On your next one, keep your chest forward over the front thigh. Reach your arms up and hold. Your back heel is going to lift and lower. Lifting and lowering, so we're traveling over the front thigh here. Should really feel this now, deep into that right glute. You don't have to do many of these to feel it. Take 3 more here. 1 more, hold. I want you to bring the upper body up. Take a moment to rest here. Hands to hips, go into a lunge. Hold this. Come straight back up. Go forward into your hinge. Come back up. Now add that lunge into the hinge. So you get a moment of breakthrough here. Forward and back. Let's take 4 more. Strong flat back as you come forward. My whole movement is driven from my feet, leading to my belly and my belly directing the move. 1 more here. On your next one, you're going to stay forward and hold it. Stay over that front thigh. Feel that burn. Drop your hands down to the mat. Open towards the outer edge of the foot. Drop the back knee down. Just go through a little stretch. It's like a modified pigeon stretch here, just opening through that hip. Then from there, sweep the leg back. Sit back to child's pose. Push through the tops of the feet. Round the spine and come forward. Lower the hips. Open the chest. Curl the toes under, come back to that strong plank position here. Heels push back, palms push into the mat. Hold here. Shoulders away from your ears. Draw your shoulder blades in. Left knee comes in towards your chest, then step the foot in between your hands. Hold this position. Check in again. Are your hips squared off to the top of the mat? Pull the right hip forward and the left hip back. Take your hands to the front thigh and hold it. Make sure your belly's not collapsed on your thigh. Draw in through your belly, create some space. Hands to your hips, hip bones squared off. Now drive by pulling the right hip forward and the left hip back to bring you up. Try that again and get it right. Right hip comes forward, left hip comes back to pull you up. Now let's go with those hinges up and down. Still driving from the legs. The upper body just follows. Forward on the diagonal. Take 3 more. On your next one, stay forward and hold. Reach your arms up. Start to lift and lower your back heel. You're traveling forward on a diagonal over the front thigh. Lift up and back. That's it. Really feel that burn. Ground down through your entire left foot here. Take 2 more. On your next one, stay forward and hold. Hold, hold, hold. Sweep the arms back. Come back up to center. Take a moment to rest by going into a little lunge. Come back up. Now add the hinge. Into your lunge, straight up into your hinge. Working through all of your leg muscles here, but particular focus on the glute. I'm sure you're feeling that deep burn into the left pocket of the butt. Let's take 3 more. Let's do 1 more of these. On your next one, I want you to stay forward, hovering over the front thigh. Hold it here. Bring your hands down to frame that front foot. And then drop to the outer edge of the foot and take a little stretch here. Great. From there, plant down that foot. Step your right foot to meet the left foot. We're back to where we began. Bend the knees here. Bum back, reach your arms forward. From your feet, your hips come back up to stand. Open the arms, sit all the way down, round and ripple through the spine to come up. Open, come down, round and ripple. Take 2 more, wave-like motion to come up. 1 more like that. And bring your hands down. Such good job. If you enjoyed that and would like to learn more about my chain movement system, come join us at ritam.studio.